Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Today, I want to show you how to turn on battery limit on Microsoft Surface Laptop 5. So first, you need to open BIOS. BIOS is opened by holding your volume up button and then pressing your power button, just like that. Press it once and hold it until BIOS appears just like on my screen. Now, head down to boot configuration and turn on battery limit. It prevents your battery from being damaged and it tries to keep it healthy. And it's also adjusting to your charging rate and how many times you charge it per day. If the tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.